Hi everybody, and welcome to this episode of A Queer Guy and a Tar Guy.
The faggot and me.
Alright, so what we're gonna do.
We're gonna microwave shit.
Okay.
Dude, the camera's not even facing me.
Oops.
There you go.
Here, we'll fix it. There you go. Alright, what are we gonna microwave?
You're gonna make them all dizzy doing that.
Okay, what are we going to microwave?
What the fuck was that?
Nothing. Fucking retard. Alright, today we're gonna
microwave some soy sauce, some mustard, and sweet and sour.
And we just got done microwaving soy sauce, as you can see. So, we're gonna just make a little bit bigger mess here. Alright.
Get the fuck out of my way.
Easy rollers.
Shove it up your ass.
Just so everyone knows, Chad's first sexual experience was with a man, so.
No.
Oop, here goes on. This is kind of boring. Aww.
Soy sauce?
Soy sauce. Oh, those other ones are gonna pop. Can barely even see. No one's still watching this by now.
I don't give a shit.
Take a second to see Chad's facial expressions. Ouch!
Tell them what I just did.
The tart is assaulting.
Tell them what I just did.
The tart tried to run me over with his wheelchair.
No, I ran into his shit.
Well, it's not exciting, as you can see. So, Chad, this was a really dumb idea of yours because you are retarded.
It was not my idea.
Thank you, Chad, and have a good day.
It was Kara's idea.